So hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to speed up certain parts of clip in DaVinci Resolve. So to do this it's pretty simple. So drag the part that you want to slow down or speed up in this clip. So let's just say in my 214 or 215, and then from there all you have to do is right click your clip right here and then retime control. So it's Command R in Mac, and I think it's Windows R in your Windows. So right here, so I've selected that. Just press the drop down, add speed point, and then go to your second part where you want it to end. So I want here, and then add speed point again. Then from there you can just drag it to the side to speed it up, as you can see. So when we play our clip, it's gonna speed up at that part only. So it's gonna speed up there and then slow down to normal. So it's just that simple. So if this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.